Alright, C2P. It is another Wednesday, first one in Eastern Standard Time, and during a wind advisory.
Go to weather.gov/State College on the internet for more information about the following hazards. Wind advisory. This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, no weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National
There we go. Good job, 120.
Each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Here's the hazardous weather.
Alright, there we go. Nice. That was a good one this week.